Guys, welcome back. We're gonna do another recap today of my trading day. Today was quite interesting. We started off with some nice trades we are looking at. So first thing, we got this TBIO. It was gapping up wildly today, as you could see here. So what we're looking for on this one, it was a short. Initially, we're looking for the first candle to make a new low after it tests this VWAP 9 and 20. So my entry was on here at 24.61 to the short side, and it was a quality setup. We're looking for the break of this support right here, and then for it to get a nice flush down, and we have all this room to capitalize. But ultimately, it didn't end up working, and we had to take out stop out with a loss. We're down like around like 500 or something like that. So it was quite frustrating because it was a beautiful setup. We waited for the discipline entry and everything, so I got a little bit of emotions running in there. But nonetheless, I still maintained discipline. I went on to this trade here, which I entered for that same strategy. First candle to make a new low under the VWAP 9 and 20. We got short here at $19. This is on SHLL. So we got a nice move. We didn't hold to lower day. We took out. We're really trying to get a bigger move. That one was, we're just testing out, seeing what kind of decision makings I was still making. You see, we didn't go heavy shear size or anything. So it was a small profit. And then after we traded UNOE, this one we went long here. We went long after it hit this moving average, and we got a new high here. So my entry was 25.76. This wasn't the best setup. We have resistance there, and I consciously knew that we had resistance there as the price hit that point. I was up like 100 at that point, and I was just hesitant to take off the profits there, and ultimately it turned into a loss. It wasn't the best setup, like I said. If it had, of course, more strength and volume, which I was kind of hoping for, but I shouldn't count on it. It's less likely since we did have resistance. I ended up taking a loss on here, which I should have, because it wasn't the best quality setup. So I kind of respect that trade, right? I didn't deserve to win on it, even though the first one, I fully, that was a beautiful setup. But nonetheless, we traded it again, TBIO, and believe me, we got this whole entire move here. We got this whole entire move. We're like up 1,000 on it, so we cleared our losses and made 374 profit on that stock, and ended up green on the day because of that. So we caught this move. We wish we didn't take that loss initially. That'd be a nice solid day today. But you're not in that full control, right? You can be taking the best quality setups, which you should, because ultimately you end up getting paid for it. I could have taken the emotions a little bit more harder, right? Because it's a beautiful setup, but I have a little bit more experience to know to not take too much risk and really turn this into a red day. So yeah, that's all. It's really just my discipline to stay emotionally controlled, right? I was there. I was aware of the kind of emotions I was running into to continue to trade. I didn't quit after that one loss, because I knew it was a nice setup. There's other setups that are going to be present, so we could easily make it, especially with my risk loss management. So that's all for today. Hopefully you guys got value and enjoyed the video. Like I said, this was just a quick recap, so enjoy you guys' day.